Understanding Filtering Content, a guide for English language learners. Hello and welcome, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, filtering content. This term is widely used in the digital world, and it's important for English learners to understand its nuances. So, let's dive in and demystify this phrase. Filtering content refers to the process of selecting and displaying certain types of information while excluding others. It is commonly used in the context of the internet, social media, and digital communication. Filters can be based on various criteria like relevance, quality, age appropriateness, or personal preference. This concept is crucial in managing the vast amount of information available online. To understand this better, let's look at some examples. 1. Social media feeds. Platforms like Facebook or Instagram use algorithms to filter content, showing you posts they think you'll find most interesting. 2. Parental controls. This is a form of content filtering where parents set restrictions to prevent children from accessing inappropriate content online. 3. Email spam filters. These automatically sort out unwanted or harmful emails from your inbox. Content filtering plays a vital role in protecting users from harmful or inappropriate content, customizing user experience by showing relevant information, managing information overload in the digital space. To help you use this phrase in English, here are some examples. I am filtering content on my news app to only see technology news. Schools often use content filtering to block access to certain websites. We hope this video has helped clarify what filtering content means and how it's used. Remember, understanding phrases like these can greatly improve your English language skills, especially in today's digital age. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.